My name is Marinus Dagemaat, I'm the Technical Director at EDANA, and I had the pleasure of moderating the afternoon session of the second day at Outlook 2022. We were building on the presentations given by the big converters in the morning, giving their ideas about sustainable developments in the years to come. In the afternoon we had presentations from smaller companies. The first was Dr. Edgar Herman from HITECH, and he was actually explaining his challenges in dealing with non-very well specified requirements, either from authorities or from labels. It's an ever-evolving set of requirements, and he is asked to test against those. So that's a challenge for contract laboratories. In a certain way, the second presentation also was facing that same issue, because that was Dr. Laurence Leroy from CTP, Centre du Papier in Grenoble. And she explained the difference between the different requirements, the different standards as we call them, but they are not actually standards, regarding flushable wet wipes. EDANA has GT4, but as it's a contentious topic. Water bodies have other standards, but actually they don't have a much bigger effect. They're quite comparable to our standard. The third presentation was a presentation from Kelheim, a well-known producer of specialty fibers. Horst Werner, together with Marina Srnoja-Kozic, who were filling the gap between reusables and single-use products. They typically are known for producing fibers for the tampons, single-use products, but together with a startup, they now have also explored the possibility to produce reusable products. Very interesting. And after the break, we had our fourth presentation, also a duo presentation from Gerda Larsson, a Swedish lady who is not well known in the industry, but she managed, following the rules by ISO, to start TC, Technical Committee 338, which has the aim to develop a standard on menstrual products. She was accompanied by Marta Rocher, a colleague of mine at EDANA, and both ladies gave in turn the perspective from Gerda, asking for the standard, and Marta providing the initial industry perspective. In the plenary discussion afterwards, we kind of gave an impression how to close the gap, because the industry is not very keen on having very detailed standards. But Gerda was also able to explain that is not the aim of TC338. They are more looking for a generic baseline to convince all consumers that products are safe.